Hey everybody, this is What Would Claire Do? I've been coming to you the last couple of weeks out in nature, and here I am again, but this isn't what this week's video is about, and you'll have to excuse me because I've just had a lovely facial and my hair is a bit crazy, but I mean there's a lesson in there. You know, Friday afternoon I have got the kids all to myself all weekend, so I've treated myself to a few hours out looking after myself. But this week's What Would Claire Do is all about setting goals. So now is the time when lots of business owners are focusing on making the most of their last quarter, and yes, that is a good thing to be doing, to be focusing on the last quarter in your business. But now is also a great time to be planning for what you're looking to achieve in the the forthcoming new year, new decade, so that you can start really planning for what you want to finish off the year with. But also, you know, I've been told by my client this morning that we've got 21 working days left till Christmas. So making sure that you've got your plans in place for 2020, so that in 21 days you can leave your business over the Christmas period knowing that you have a really clear plan in place for January, so that you can fully rest and relax, knowing that you've got a plan in place to get cracking with as soon as you come back January the 3rd or January the 6th, whatever it is for you. So what do you want to start achieving in 2020? What do you want to see happening with the new year for you and your business? Start planning and getting those ideas together and working out the hows and what steps you want to put in place. And if you want some help with your goal setting, then I have a workshop coming up on December the 5th that will get you clarity, lots of focus, lots of direction for those next steps in your business. So the link will be here in the message. But start planning what you want to achieve for next year. Have a great weekend.